Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mathematics channel with really interesting quick question today. And today we have a really interesting challenge. We have 3 times 3 plus 3 times 3 inside this parenthesis. Seems pretty basic, seems pretty easy. However, many people are going to get this problem incorrect. So I wanted to record this video. I want you to learn what is the correct order to do this problem and how can we solve this correctly. So first of all, there are a lot of students, there are a lot of types of students right here, and everyone solved this question in their own way. And if you look closely to this challenge, we have 3 and in parentheses we have 3 plus 3 times 3. So here's our challenge. And if you look closely, right here we have multiplication, right here behind these parentheses we have addition right here, and we have multiplication in the end. And obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. So if you start from multiplication, one answer. If you start from addition, another answer, a completely different answer. But in math we can't solve this question randomly. We can do whatever we want, but we should know what is the correct order to do this problem. And for this question, for example, let's look at this PIMDMC order of operation. Let's solve this question according to this PIMDMC. We don't want to solve this question randomly. Of course, we can solve this like addition, multiplication, this multiplication, but we have a completely wrong answer because we should know what is the correct order to do this problem. So right now, let's scan what elements we have right here in our question. Let's rewrite it and let's solve this question according to PIMDMC, which works from the top to the bottom. So the first step is parentheses, then the lower priority exponent, multiplication dividend the lower priority, and the lowest priority addition and subtraction. So parentheses the highest priority, addition and subtraction group the lowest priority. So let's scan what do we have, what elements do we have. So we have 3, in parentheses we have 3 plus 3 and times 3. Let's scan what elements do we have. So for the first step, parentheses. Let's scan where do we have these parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority, so we should find where do we have these parentheses. So let's scan. Okay, right here we have parentheses, so we are interested in this expression. So finally we find our first step. So parentheses, we find it. This is our first step to solve this challenge. What do we have inside parentheses? Let's scan what elements do we have inside parentheses, because we should evaluate parentheses at first, but in parentheses we have like a complicated expression. We have addition and multiplication. So what should we do at first? Multiply or add? Let's scan what elements do we have. Multiplication we have right here. Yeah, multiplication we have right here. And addition, where do we have? We have addition right here. So if we scan, multiplication is behind addition, and it looks like we should multiply it first and then we should add. Okay, this is really important step. So the second step is multiplication and the third step is addition inside parentheses, of course. Multiplication and addition inside parentheses. So first step, multiplication. Let's look at it. We have right here our multiplication part. So 3 times 3 equal to 9. So we have, it looks like 3 and 3 plus 3 times 3, this is our second step, equal to 9. Okay, and we close these brackets right here. So as you can see, we complete this parentheses part. We can easily solve this parentheses right now because we have very easy expression, 3 plus 9, which is equal to 12, and we don't need like our order of operations. So we have 3 times 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Okay, so we solved it parentheses at first because we should evaluate this parentheses at first, and then the last step is multiplication by 3. So we can easily reject this step. We don't have exponent, we don't have division part, and we don't have subtraction part. So our correct order is parentheses. Inside parentheses we evaluate multiplication before addition, and the last step is multiplication. So very easy multiplication right here. We have 3 times 12, which is equal to 36. This is option D is the correct answer to this challenge. So here's my answer to this challenge. I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a ton of videos. So right here you can easily practice our challenge, practice our PIMDMC every time. I have a lot of videos, a lot of easy challenges, so everyone can easily solve this, everyone can easily learn something new. And of course, I hope you learned something new in this video. I really appreciate it. And thank you for your time. I wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. See you in the next videos. If you still have any question, write your question down into the comment section. I try to help everyone, and thank you for your time. See you in the next videos and have a great day.